Nitro! Hey, baby!
He just wants to
Yeah, you just want all the machinery, don't you? Hey, look, we're pumping up your jumping castle, baby! Woo! Nitro! Hey, baby! Yeah, it's fun, hey! Is that fun? Is that fun? Oh, that's fun! Alright, Mami Santa. Let's pump it up. Excited na ang baby. Yes, excited na. Ano? Nitro. Hey!
I don't understand.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Ayun, naikuha na yun, Nitro.
Oh, it's alright, it's alright. Just let him play. Let him
Okay,
play.
he's gonna touch this. How do you do this?
You plug it in.
Start with
Here
the
it
top
is.
and plug it in.
Yep.
Push it in.
Ayun. Ito siya.
Wait. Lolo is gonna...
It's alright, it's alright. Okay, baby, ready?
Tapos, gimbutan na. That's it?
Yep.
What's up? What about this?
Now you'd leave that.
Already done.
Yeah, turn it on. Turn it on here. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! Baby Nitro! Oh. Okay. Come on, climb up. Nitro. Baby, Nitro. Nitro. Whoa, whoa.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
Nitro. Ooh. Is that exciting? Yeah? You alright, baby? Woohoo! Echo! Whoa! Almost ready, isn't it? Yeah. That's huge, man. Ang laki, no?
Ready? Nitro, go!
Yay!
Ready? Nitro, go!
Lots of balls now.
Oh, wait.
Yes.
Wow! This is low. I'm upstairs.
Alright, mate, keep pumping her up. Nitro! Whoa! Yes. fun, baby, huh? He loves it, no? Nitro! Wow, the Jump-o-lene. Nitro, hey, baby! Oi, Nitro! What you doing, buddy? Oh, Nitro! Whoa! Wow! Is that fun? Oh, yeah! Woo! You like it, don't ya? You like a birthday present, eh, boy? Yes! It's a birthday present you'll actually use. Hey! Sa lahat ng nabili naming laruan para kay Nitro, actually, konti lang yung nabili namin. Pero sa lahat ng laruan niya, ito yung pinakagusto niya. Hey, baby. Hey, yeah, boy. You love it, don't ya? He's in heaven, man. He friggin' loves it. Keep it beautiful wall. That's right.
And then he'll get bored.
Yeah, well, hopefully not too soon.
Yeah.
Yes, that's right. Yep. Yep. Anong ginagawa ni Bebe? Ano siya lalabas? You're scared? You're too scared, are you? Hey, he's a bit too scared. You're gonna have to show him how to do it leg first. Leg first, baby. Leg first. Yeah, leg first.
Yeah, this one.
Binti muna. That's it. Yes. Yeah, like that. Like that. Kind of. Almost. Yeah, hey, baby Nitro. You did it. Is that fun? Hey? Is that fun? It's fun, hey?
Go back? Wanna go back?
He wants to go back in already.
Figure out how to get in and out of it.
Yep. There you go. There you go. Come on. Oh, is that funny, baby? Is that funny? You like your Jump-o-lene, huh? Ang laki, no? Hindi ko po inasahan na ganyan kalaki yung ano ni Nitro, yung Jump-o-lene niya. Parang jumping castle, trampoline, playpen, parang ganon. Malaki, no? Mas malaki sa desk ko, mas malaki sa couch namin. Grabe.
Maliligo na siya.
Naligo na ang baby.
Wait, you don't go out like that, Tom. You don't go out
You need to learn how to get out, baby boy.
Ketchup.
Is that funny? Is that funny, baby? Hi.
Where's the shark? Where's the shark? Yum. Yeah, he's putting his finger in his sock, aren't you? Yes. Oh, no.
Funny boy.
Go on.
Funny boy, yeah.
Go on. Yes.
Is that grandma? Nitro? Nitro.
Oh, you can't have daddy's toys. You want to have Nitro's toys.
Ito po yung mga Lego ni Dwaine nung 8 years old siya. Was he 8 years old when he got this?
This is 1996 it came out. This is Alright, Nitro fam, it is the following day na. Dito pa rin yung Jump-o-lene ni Baby Nitro. Wow! It's so cool. It's like an inflatable playpen. Alright, so he's safe inside here and he's happy sa loob ng Jump-o-lene na to. So guys, maraming salamat sa panonood sa video na to at kita-kits po sa sunod na video ng Dwanta. Bye for now.